The Department of Migrant Workers, or DMW, is working to ensure the safety and protection of Filipino seafarers in high-risk zones. The department is also expediting the repatriation of the remains of seafarers killed in the Black Sea. IBC correspondent Victor Liantino has the full report.
Department of Migrant Workers Secretary Hans Leo Kakdak has returned to the country following a crucial 3-day official visit to Romania, Saudi Arabia, and Turkey. The mission underscores the government's urgent efforts to protect overseas Filipino workers in high-risk zones. Acting on the direct orders of President Ferdinand Marcos Jr., Kakdak personally assessed the condition of Filipino seafarers caught in escalating tension in the northern Black Sea. According to the DMW, 174 out of 282 Filipino crew members affected by the drone and missile attacks on their vessels have been safely repatriated.
So higit kumulang mga 70% na ng mga tripulante na apektado ay nakauwi na.
The department is also expediting the repatriation of the remains of 3 fallen seafarers while search operation continue for 1 missing crew member. In response to the mounting threats, the DMW has strictly prohibited manning agencies from deploying ships with Filipino crew to the northern Black Sea, broadening the scope of the mandate. The Secretary also conducted hospital and prison visit in Bucharest and Saudi Arabia to extend assistance to other distressed overseas Filipino workers.
Matindi talaga ang hidwaan doon sa pagitan ng Russia at Ukraine. Batay na rin sa security assessment ng DND, ng DFA.
Meanwhile, the DMW confirmed a separate incident involving 3 Filipino seafarers who were victims of physical assault while on shore leave in Bristol, England, last July 31. 2 of the crew members who sustained minor injuries have already returned to the Philippines, but 1 victim remains in critical condition in the ICU. UK authorities have taken the suspect into custody as the investigation continues.
Ihintayin natin siguro muna ang resulta ng investigasyon. Maraming mga haka-haka at spekulasyon, but it appears to be a physical attack, a physical assault.
In other news, the DMW assured the public that no Filipinos were hurt in the recent strong earthquake in Colombia. Victor Liantino, IBC News.